How to configure RAID on ASUS Intel motherboard. Creating a RAID array can enhance data redundancy and performance by striping or mirroring data across multiple drives. In this video, we'll walk you through install drives and setting up RAID on your Intel motherboard. Before getting started, make sure your ASUS motherboard supports RAID. You can refer to the user manual or visit the ASUS official website. For the drives, use identical drives of the same model and capacity for the best results. We also recommend updating your motherboard BIOS to the latest version for the optimal performance and stability. Please watch the video guide for step-by-step BIOS update instructions. First, follow proper electrostatic discharge precautions, like using a grounded wrist strap, gloves, and an ESD mat. Make sure the system is powered off and unplugged. Now install the M.2 SSD or HDD into the appropriate slots on the motherboard. Power on the system and repeatedly press F2 or delete key to enter the BIOS. You can verify that the BIOS detects all installed storage devices here under the storage information. Different Intel motherboard series have different configuration paths to enable the RAID function. For Intel 600 series and later, switch to Advanced mode by pressing F7 and navigate to Advanced tab. Select System Agent Configuration and then find the VMD Setup menu. If you're setting up an NVMe RAID, pick Map PCIe Storage under VMD and turn it to Enabled. For a SATA RAID, choose Map SATA Controller under VMD and set it to Enabled. Hit F10 to save and exit. For Intel 500 series or older motherboard, press F7 to enter Advanced mode. Then go to the Advanced tab. Find PCH Storage Configuration. For a SATA RAID, set SATA mode selection to Intel RST Premium with Intel Optane System Acceleration. For an NVMe RAID, make sure the SATA mode is set properly and scroll to M.2 PCIe Storage RAID Support and set it to RST Controlled. Press F10 to save and exit. Once the RAID feature is enabled, the system will reboot. When prompted, press the delete key to enter the BIOS Advanced mode again. Select Intel Rapid Storage Technology. Choose Create RAID Volume and create a name for the RAID volume. Select the desired RAID level. Select the disks to include in the RAID volume. Confirm and create the RAID volume. You can continue to create additional RAID volume or press F10 to save and exit, then reboot the system. Your RAID array is now set up on your ASUS Intel motherboard. Continue building and optimizing your system for the best performance possible. If you face ongoing difficulties with your ASUS motherboard, please contact your local ASUS Customer Service Center for expert technical support. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel. Like the video and share your comments. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.